Today being the International Girl Child Day, we were privileged to have visitors from Institute of IT professionals visiting us to interact with a cross-section of our girls.
Today, the United Nations Assembly set this day aside exactly 10 years ago.
We had our sister schools from Abekan 1, Abekan 2, 3, 4, as well as Answaruddin Basic School, cross-section of the girls, joining our girls here in St. Aswanga to have this wonderful celebration.
As an institution that believes in the capability of girls, that anything that boys can do, girls can do better.
As we usually see, from the beginning, they had difficulty with using the mouse pad because most of them were used to the mouse. But this one, since it was a laptop, they had to learn how to use the touch pad. So they had a bit of difficulty in the beginning, but as it went on, they were okay with it. As with the main coding, we took our time to take them through, so they were okay with it right from the beginning.
I learned coding, and I also learned that coding is the same as computer programming. And I also learned that computer programming is the process whereby you ask the computer to do something for you and it does what you want.
I learned that the Scratch is an app that helps students to design animations and stories and other pictures. And the 3D, there are things that can be felt, touched. I would like us to do it many times so that it will help us be good and it will encourage us, it will help us to be bold so that we can compete with boys, so that we will not be timid. Like anything, the boys are rather good than girls. We will be equal in everything.
Today I learned about coding, and I learned that coding is the same as computer programming. They taught us 3 parts of the 3D printer. That's the filament, the plastic wire, and the nozzle.
So it was a day of fun. The girls had a lot of activities, which is an eye-opener to the love of IT, because we are all aware that today's world without IT, you cannot go far. And they being girls, I think it was on a right direction that they had that interaction that will aid them to learn more, especially in the area of IT.
In fact, they are so excited. You should just see their faces when they were able to get some, to create some animations with the coding block that we showed them today. They seem very interested in what we had for them today. In fact, today we had so much fun. They learned so much and they promised to go on learning from today on.
The Institute of ICT Professionals is looking for partners who will help us take this technology programming to the towns and villages all across Ghana.
So I pray that more girls will be enrolled, not just the cross-section that we had, but then the edge, or more girls in the schools and in the vicinity will also have the love for IT and will get trained so that they will also have the experience.
Coding is the skill of today. It is important for every single child to be able to learn this skill. And we are so happy that we took this day, the International Day of the Girl Child, to come and introduce some kids to coding for the first time. And I know this will be the last time.